As a designer, I don't remember quite when I solved the first problem or invented the first thing. I don't even remember realizing that it was a skill. It was just who I was. I travel a lot, and I just purchased a new smartphone, and I wanted to watch a movie on it on the airplane. I tried setting up the smartphone on the tray table, and it just kept falling backwards. Frustrated, I thought, I think I can make this better. The iZel is a little adjustable stand for smartphones and e-readers. I designed the iZel to unfold and fit into a pocket or into a bag. You hear a lot about sustainable design these days. Another way of approaching sustainability is designing something that never has to be thrown away. Smartphones changed dramatically over the last 7 years, and the iZel is designed to accommodate all of those screen sizes and device thicknesses. In industrial design, ergonomics is so important. When they sit at their desk, not everybody is the same size. So in the iZel, we built a little adjustable stand in the back. We've got 6 different adjustment settings for the angle of the display, the portrait and the landscape. A great deal of consideration went into not only the shape and the function of the iZel, but the materials that we're using. We use a very expensive elastomer that provides that rugged, long duration of use, as well as the grippiness, if you will. All throughout my life, I've had people around me that have taught me how to problem solve. I've worked for some of the world's biggest brands. Design has to be beautiful. Function is beautiful. It has to solve a problem.